All right, it's a quarter till 6 o'clock now. News of COVID-19 vaccine results from drug maker Pfizer gave the world some hope that we will soon have a potential way out of this pandemic. While there are plenty of hurdles to clear still, many questions about production, distribution, and most importantly, the effectiveness of the shot itself still need to be answered. In this week's Q&A segment, we're looking into some of these big unknowns. But first, a little background here. Pfizer's vaccine candidate is an mRNA, or a messenger RNA vaccine. It's a new technology that poses a major challenge for storage and transportation. It's also a type of vaccine that has never been approved for use by the FDA. That has many people wondering what it is exactly and how it produces an immune response. To give us some insight, we turn to ABC News Chief Medical Correspondent, Dr. Jennifer Ashton.
Has never before been used to make a vaccine. It is also being aggressively researched and developed as a drug or therapeutic approach, because most vaccines either give a live or weakened or attenuated form of the virus into our body so that our body can mount an immune system. This mRNA technology is giving a strand of the code so that our own cells can kind of generate an immune response without seeing the actual virus.
And developing a vaccine is one thing. Distributing it to all corners of the world is another. And keeping it viable in that process is another challenge altogether. But logistics firms like UPS and FedEx say they started planning for this months ago.
We have about 9,000 healthcare specialists around the globe, about 140 certified warehouses around the globe, about another 100 terminals that are certified for healthcare. We also had to make some specific investments in -80 degrees storage points and containers to be able to distribute.
Other promising COVID-19 vaccine candidates are nearing the end of phase 3 trials, and they won't all need sub-zero storage. They will, however, all need major logistical support to distribute around the globe. Now, we want to know, do you have questions that have gone unanswered through this pandemic? You can send them our way in the Q&A section on KXLY.com. We will, as always, do our best to get them answered.